really proud of everything I've got going on. My knowledge, my status, my wealth, my qualities. I feel like I'm superior to others. I'm the best. Is being arrogant and prideful not a good thing?
There's no point to being proud, because whatever glorious position that you have is not permanent. Everything is impermanent. As Buddha said that all compound things are impermanent. And impermanent in the sense that all compound things are with the four endings. End of gathering is separation. Wherever we gather, we don't remain forever. And then end of accumulation is exhaustion. No matter how much you accumulate, it does not remain. So at the end it exhausts. And the end of height is to fall down. No matter how high you reach, eventually the birds, how high the birds fly, eventually have to land on the ground. So similarly, how high your position, your power that you reach in the whatever height you reach, eventually that you have to fall down. And the end of birth is death. So therefore, there's no point being arrogant. Even the things that which we presume are very stable and vast, such as like the ocean, sun, moon, or Mount Sumeru, etc. One day they will be disappear. As we see, huge mountains also disappears eventually after thousands, millions of years. So our body, which is very fragile and easy to lose, it's just like water bubbles. The water bubbles are immediately burst, and so therefore there's no point in being arrogant.